around us is continually changing. That's the only thing that we can count on. And so we constantly look for new topics to add into our curriculum and to stay on top of it. At the same time, in addition to being creating the best possible pool builders and pool designers and service companies, we also want to look at the fact that we have the opportunity to grow them personally. So a lot of our students need to have programs that make them better people. And also we focus on lifestyle. At Genesis, we've always featured lifestyle as a part of our program. And the old saying that we've had is that if your idea of a good time is a gun rack and a can of Budweiser, that may be lovely. But if you're dealing with a client that has 82 Bordeaux in their cellar, you will not relate. So we've done programs on food and wine and on travel that help enrich people's lives personally.